to show you what I'm working on today. It's a fun rocket heater. It's an older one, older design. It's about an hour from my house. These folks bought this house, fun little quasi-underground house, with a rocket heater in it. I did not build this, but when they bought the house, they had me come check it out, and over the last year, they've been burning it, and slowly its performance has been degrading. And in fact, we're seeing, I had them cut a little inspection hole, and we're seeing some creosote buildup inside of it. It's and where they made the hole, see, I can't even feel hardly any draw. I should be feeling some definite suction there on a cold day like today, but almost nothing. So we're gonna change some things about this heater in the process of discovering what's wrong with it. You can see there's cleanouts down here and here, and we're gonna pop those off and try to vacuum out inside of there. And I'll see here now, somebody was thinking they installed an outlet so that when you're sitting here on the warm bench and you don't care to move, you got your charger for your phone. You don't have to move. And there's a nice view there. There was and a clean out that you can light to you can open that up and warm up the chimney, prime the thing. There were some things done well about this, but we're going to be editing it as we find out why it's not drawing very well. So stay tuned.